Chen The Invincible Marketer. The facts. Welcome to this video. My name is Bill Morrow and I have been marketing online for about 9 years, give or take. Time passes. You have now arrived in exactly the place. If you're looking for anything related to working online, working from home, internet marketing, affiliate marketing, any of that sort of thing, making a business online, all of those things. Now, the facts are, Chen is the maker of this particular video, and I have gone through the course complete. I have done the course. I have set up my business, which is in internet marketing. But you can set up a business in any subject you prefer, in multiple subjects if you want. But in my case, I've set up a simple one. But if you want to do bodybuilding, if you want to do dieting or get rich quick, whatever subject you want to do, that's totally up to you, because the business is yours. And the facts are, this business is the best I have come across in the 9 years that I've been hunting and looking online, wasting money, doing rubbish things that last for about a week and then disappear. That's exactly what I found over this time. Now, with this particular one, the whole thing is run on video, so you watch a video which is on one particular subject. At the end of that, you're given a task, which is explained in the video, and then you have to do that task, whatever it might be, setting up an email or anything of that nature. You complete the task, then you move on to the next one. Do not be tempted to watch all the videos, and then you end up with, did I do that one, did I do this one? Confusion. The simplest way to do it is to watch one video and complete the task in that one video. The time you take, the effort you put into it is entirely up to you. It's how quickly do you want to get and make a business online? How quickly do you want to get started? Because there's no doubt about it that the system does work. There's no doubt about that at all. I am proof of that. I completed the course, and once you've done all the videos, by the time you come to the last one, your business has been set up. Way! And you think, where did that come from? You've been building it step by step, and now all you got to do is to promote it, and all of these things are explained completely in the videos, in the course itself. So the course is excellent. It is one of the best I've come across over those years. Now I'm using it, and now I can genuinely and with confidence pass it on to you, promote it to you, knowing that you can get exactly the same success as... Now, if an old bloke like me can do it, of course you can do it. There's no restriction. Anyone with experience, without experience, because it's all covered completely in each one of the videos. And that's exactly what you want. Now, by clicking on the link below, you get onto my email list, and I will send you additional information about the course. And also, you can reply to any one of those emails, which will come directly back to me. So therefore, we can have a two-way conversation on any of the subjects. If you want additional help in picking your subject or whatever it might be, but all of this is covered in detail in the course. But to have another person, yes, you do have groups, so that you got Facebook groups and everything else that you can join. But if you want a face that you can connect with, here I am. And you just reply to the email, and I'll give you the information and the support that you want, because that's exactly what I want to do. I want to support you to achieve what I have done. So that's it. So all you got to do now is get onto that link below, and I will contact you and get you on your way. All the best. Talk soon.